Alright, so Sunday evening, still the 16th, 8 o'clock right now. I think the rain finally let up enough so I can start torching. I'm going to start burning these frame rails off. Today's objective right now is going to be burn them bolts off. I'm going to get rid of them frame rails and just use the rear ends and the suspension system. I'm going to put them on. I'm going to bolt all those. I'm going to cut off onto the frame rails where we drilled the holes in. Them frame rails will look a little bit nicer to me. Again, nothing wrong with these ones, but they're already drilled, ready to roll. They're already apart. In order to get these on that Kenworth, I would have to blow all the bolts off of it and shimmy it in a good bit, and it's going to be a little bit more work than just cutting it apart. So we're just going to cut these off, bolt them up to the other frame rails. So here we go. We're going to start cutting it apart. Still working on those frame rails. It's getting kind of dark out, so I'm gonna bring the Mac over here to use some LED lights on it. So I figured I'd record it since we haven't seen this truck in a while, up and going. Some people ask what's the buckets for. It's keep the water out of the pipes. It's not the fact that I'm worried about it getting up into the motor and getting water in the pistons. It's the fact that every time you fire the truck up, it blows soot everywhere. So, like, see how sooty it is? So, the cars behind you don't really like that. So, that's what the buckets are for. Alright. Here we go. Turn the key. This is some gauges work. Push a button. Short to neutral. It's running. Pretty simple. See some walk around. All lights are up and running. LEDs are on now. Those lights are crazy bright. I think you can see it. It's starting to light up already. So just getting it ready so I can see a little bit better over there. Now one cab light gives me problems every time it rains. Take it down the road for a mile or two and it comes on. Just probably got a bad ground. That's that. Alright, the air pressure's almost perfect. Maybe that'll help you see it some. Okay, now we got some light. I can see to finish these bolts off. And like I said, them things are freaking bright. Amazon, I think I paid 12 to 18 bucks for a pair. I thought it was per light, so I bought like 8 of them. Here it came with 8 pairs. So the skid loader has lights, the Mac has lights, the tractor has lights, everything has lights. So tonight I'm gonna use them. Here we go. Okay, well, I'm pretty much done for the night. It's a little bit after 9. I think it's like 9:30 right now. All my cross members are here, and two rear ends. So, pretty much it. Frame rails are off. I told you I'd be back tonight, and there you go. I'm getting pretty good at ripping these down. In about an hour, I can have them all in pieces, ready to roll. So, I think tomorrow or whenever. I can't make, you don't make a plan on when you're gonna do it, because it'll just piss you off when you say tomorrow I'm gonna get this done and you don't got time for it, and just makes you in a bad mood. It does for me anyway. So whenever I get time next, I'm gonna split these rear ends apart, take one and one. I'm gonna go through it, make sure everything's good, the fluids are good, and then we're gonna put the new frame rails up on that truck and see where the stretch goes. I'm thinking a 275 inch right now is my stretch. I'm kind of set on that, just to let you know. So stay tuned. There's the Mac, it looks cool. And that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching, appreciate it. Second video in one day. That's pretty good for me, because it usually takes me like 3 weeks to get a video up. So all these guys all need powder coated, and then railings and railings and railings, and 3 tables ready to roll. On Fridays we do cleanup. That means get everything off the tables, get all the welders wrapped up, because you never know what I want to do on a weekend. Sometimes I just want to come in here and lay something out and have my own time. So we clean up on Friday, and we start all new jobs Monday morning. So tomorrow morning we're going to be in Cumberland, Maryland. There's a railing job down there. We did his other family member in Wheeling, West Virginia, and he insisted we come to Cumberland, Maryland to look at, or to get this job. So that's tomorrow. I'll be there, and then we're going to be building some railings. And if I get time, I'm going to try and play with some of these rear ends again, because I haven't worked on that truck in a while. But at the same time, you got to work when you can work, and you got to make the money when you can make the money. So have a great night. Thanks for watching, and that's it.